Welcome to Highlights Lounge and Bar.
Elevate your dining experience with a stunning view of Cebu City at Harold's Evotel Cebu's Highlights Lounge and Bar. Here, they hold regular buffet specials, events, and nightly entertainment.
Come and experience our BBQ Under the Stars.
Among their latest promos is their BBQ Under the Stars buffet, where you can enjoy unlimited barbecue freshly grilled to perfection from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. every Wednesdays to Saturdays.
What we're doing is I have the young dynamic chef led by Chef John Bill. So we're doing this local produce and then we convert to Cebuano barbecue. So this is happening every Wednesday to Saturday.
Among style lutuon gud sa inyong atubangan. Freshly prepared jud kayo ang among pagsugba like parehaan ang na. So nindot ug lami gud kayo ang amuang barbecue kay pang pamilya ug pang barkada nga moanhi gid sa diri sa Highlight.
Aside from great food, diners can also enjoy relaxing music during their Jazz Night Wednesdays, or sing their hearts out with karaoke nights on Thursdays.
This is for the millennials, who wants to relax, chill. We have a beautiful view, stunning view here in Highlights. I think that will be also one of the focal points that we can sell it easily.
And of course, a breathtaking view of the city is best paired with delicious cocktails and beverages.
Watch out for the new Highlights cocktails. I'm organizing this new range of cocktails, which is we have a mixologist coming in. So what we do is we're infusing spirits using local fruits. Yeah, so a new presentation and new place for millennials and even for the white-collar job to come and enjoy our new range of cocktails for Highlights.
The hotel also caters to different events with their luxurious banquets, and they've got more exciting offers with their other amenities, especially this holiday season.
We would like to invite you to Harold's Evotel. We have two restaurants. We have the 𝗘𝗃∗ which we offer the all-day dining restaurant. We have the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have a new menu. Please come and visit us to try our new dishes. It's locally produced by our chef. And also on the festive season, we have the Gourmet on the Go, which we're going to introduce also. This is for the festive season. Whoever wants to just stay at home and then order food from us, please. It's gonna be ready soon on our Facebook page. So Gourmet on the Go by Harold's. Also on the December, we have the festive menu and watch out for the New Year's Eve countdown. Okay? So please come and join us. 𝗘𝗃∗ of Harold's and then the Highlights, the lounge and bar.